Hey guys, this is how blood work being done. Okay, you have to tie the arms first, and then with the tourniquet, and then wipe it with a alcohol wipes, and then we're gonna be drawing blood. The best part is this one. See, inhale.
There you go. Exhale.
And
Make sure
exhale.
you're breathing.
Make sure you are breathing, and then that's it. You can see the blood is already drawn, and you are good.
She did a good
Okay,
job.
good job.
Thank you. That is very
And there's
good.
another one. So it's not yet finished. That's good. Okay, it's good. How do you feel? Good.
Yes.
Okay, and then
Hold pressure.
or put pressure, and then put a tape
Yep. We'll get some
for
tape on
final.
there right
And
now.
then we're done.
And
Yay.
then we are
Thank
done.
you very much.
Thank you so much. Try it.